Hi, today you're going to practice a real English conversation with me. Don't just watch, speak with me out loud.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sarah.
Your turn, say it out loud.
Do you come here often?
Yeah, I usually work here on my laptop.
Oh, really? What do you do?
I work in marketing.
Now you answer.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
Answer the question.
I usually come here after work.
Same. The coffee is really good.
What do you usually do during the day?
Answer out loud.
I usually work in the mornings. It was nice talking to you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Now speak with Alex, say his lines out loud. Good job. Now watch this video again tomorrow and speak with Alex. And try this one next. Now you are Alex, say the lines out loud.
Hi. No, go ahead. Nice to meet you, Alex. I work in marketing. I work in marketing. It was nice talking to you.